today's video, I'm gonna do this summer shimmery bronzy look. I'm gonna start off with this peach color corrector. This one today, the serum tint, because it is full coverage and super hydrating. Just mixing it, caking it up in there. I don't want natural today. I cannot believe I've been filming for 4 months. Time flies by so quick. I'm just trying to like find balance now in my life. For the eye primer, I'm gonna apply the Huda Beauty one all over the eyelid and then blending it in. This one gives you a nice matte prime before applying the eyeshadow. For the palette, we're going to use this one right here, all over the eyelid and into the crease, like right here. I have like a thin brush. It's like a medium-sized, but more gathered together. I'm really focusing at the end. Raise that eyebrow if you have to, going right in circles at the end. I want to add some depth in there. That's why I'm like really focused at the end, but I'm still using the same color. Getting a clean blending brush with no product and buffering it all out. Blending it, we're gonna blend it. I am adding some more of that eyeshadow at the end to add some depth. I'm adding more product. Just really want to focus on this shadow today. I'm taking my time today. I feel like I haven't sat down and really have taken makeup in a while. Makeup becomes more fun when I look at it like a moment to paint. What did you all do today? Today I had yoga and then I went to get my vision checked. I needed a new prescription, contact prescription. And I really held on till last minute for that one. And I needed to get over it. I'm like, I don't even want to think about this anymore. No, we're actually gonna do the copper first. This eyeshadow is so creamy. Looking straight, you're gonna add some of that shadow into the crease. I don't want this to look perfect. I want it to look like the sun is hitting it. My day has gone by so fast today. I'm gonna watch Love Island tonight. If any of you are watching Love Island, let me know because these men are triggering me. I have a group chat with a group of friends over it. Every man that I said something's off with them ended up turning out to be assholes. So triggering to see these men put their masks down when no one's watching. I'm gonna grab that nickel one as well, which is like a green, and I'm gonna tap it in there. It gives it more of a shine. I'm gonna outline the top just super thin, looking down closer to the lash line. Grabbing a little mirror really does help you focus more on the eye. Okay, I think this eyeliner is running out completely. I want my lashes to look really flared out, like that. I have the smallest brush right here. I'm gonna grab this dark brown and apply that closer to the lash line. And I'm even putting it right in there as well. I'm just going in there. I want to try this mascara from Urban Decay. We're gonna apply that in the eye. Ooh, I love this spoonie. It feels like it's like grabbing every part of my lash. Before, after. This looks more like a taupe brown. Is that how you pronounce it? It is like a brown gray to me. I went to the beach twice this past weekend trying to get tanned. I'm trying to have more fun this summer. I never look forward to summer times. I want to change that up. You know what? I need to shape my nose. So I'm going to apply this shadow that's in here. Shaping that nose takes time. We are blending in that brownish warm eyeshadow, and then after that is fully blended, we are going to apply concealer on the side of the nose, on the tip, and on the bridge. The sponge is pretty dry, and blending the bridge too. The same clean blending brush you used on the shadow, we are blending it in. Look at that. I'm applying just a little bit of bronzer from this, the Gucci one, and tapping it. I'm gonna apply actually some makeup mist onto the skin. This one is the Pixie by Petra. I let the concealer sit in for a moment, and I'm grabbing a concealer brush right here, and we are gonna dap it around. My under eyes look so much better than they did in the beginning. All it took was a ton of makeup. The Lancome concealer is a little drier than the Giorgio Armani. Giorgio Armani is like a very light concealer. It's more like a concealer when you want to feel pretty and you want your skin to look like skin. Though I'm not mad at how it looks, but right now I am noticing some texture here. Do any of you guys have any summer goals, summer plans? My goal is to do more juicing, a cleaner diet. I've been a little carried away since my birthday, so I think I want to take it back a little bit. After you spray mist, use a dry sponge, a little damp, not too much, and blend it all together. I'm going to apply some under eye shadow underneath the eyes. Some of that brown in there. And blending it out. This one is a Sigma brush. I love brushes with two sides in them. I'm gonna apply some mist in the brush, like a small brush. I am wetting this sponge. We're gonna apply that at the end, but I'm also going to apply it up. Some of that Gucci highlighter and apply that right on the tip of the nose, right on the cheekbone to add some highlight. I want to look like the sun is reflecting on my skin. I'm going to apply mascara underneath the lashes as well, gathering the lashes so beautifully. For the lips, I want them to look as natural as I can today, so I'm going to use this Revlon in the color Mauve. It is a cute everyday color. And it matches my lips really, really well. From Giorgio Armani, and we're gonna shape up the lip. This mauve is a little bit more lighter than a deeper bronze, a deeper berry. Yeah, I do like this one. This one's also in the color Sienna. I do take my time when it comes to the lips. Ooh, this is cute. It adds some color. I am going to apply the color Cupcake. This one I just have to be really mindful, okay? The only way this is gonna work is if I apply a ton of mist. Look at that, and I can already feel the dryness. I'm not really much of a fan of this one. I wish I had the green one. Okay, we're gonna, oh, this is the one with highlighter. Oops, did not mean to do that on purpose, but Okay, we're gonna go back with the blush. I'm going to reapply, put it on the cheeks. Okay, I grabbed my hyaluronic acid. Once this is fully dry, we're going to apply the foundation powder underneath the eyelids just to make them look a lot cleaner than they are right now. The setting powder worked beautifully after hydrating it, but if I don't hydrate it, I'm gonna start to look really old. It will grab my skin. I might have said this already, but it reminds me of the SpongeBob episode where he gets really dehydrated. That's why it's so important to keep hydrating your skin and your body. Talking about that, I really want to do the IV drip. I want to do the B12 and the hydrating one. Let me know if you've done it before. Look at that. Wow. It literally looks like a filter right now. Look how pretty. I do kind of like my blush to come out just a little bit here. I'm just touching up the lip liner. Ooh. I'm doing the bronzer, the blush bronzer from Huda Beauty. And honestly, I'm just doing the darkest one. It's kind of a vibe, right? Ooh, there we go. Ooh, I like that. We're gonna use this right here. We'll clean it up in a minute. I just want to like be able to blend it really well. I'm gonna clean it up with a foundation just because it's much lighter than concealer. We're gonna apply some lip oil. I do love that I kept the lashes a little lighter today because the lips are so bold and the eyeshadow is so bronzy, so shimmery. Here's my final.